The summary of the findings constituted by our Bharatiya Janata Party Karnataka President Shri B.V. Vijayendra ji and headed by Shri S.R. Vishwanath, MLA of Yelahanka and others are as follows. Number one, a number of non-citizens are being made into citizens on government land, and they are being sheltered by an organized group of people, and the government has chosen to keep its eyes shut. That is the first thing. Number two, there are organized persons who are getting them Aadhaar cards, Epic cards, driving license, then street vendors cards, Shram card, etc. to avail the benefits of the taxpayers of India unauthorizedly. Number three, all these people are being brought into the voter list only to ensure that unauthorized vote banks are created, and we have made a study on year occupation by way of Google Maps from 2013 onwards, and they have been here only for the last 2 years.